Hello friends, welcome to my channel English is Easy with Sindhu. Friends, bottom of my heart, thank you so much for subscribing my channel and supporting me and my channel. Friends, today I am very excited to share my second blog with you. With the educational background, I am fascinated about teaching and sharing knowledge, especially about spoken English. मैं अपने चैनल के बारे में आपको बता दूं. My channel is all about how anyone can become a fluent speaker and can speak a fluent English in their day-to-day life. And as English is everyone cup of tea, if anyone is interested in learning it. तो ये तो मैंने अपने चैनल के बारे में आपको बता दिया. इसके अलावा जो है मेरे चैनल पे आपको लैंग्वेज बाइलिंगुअल रहेगी ताकि आप अच्छे से समझ पाए. और आपका जो स्पोकन इंग्लिश का क्लास होगा उसमें बीच बीच में आपको कुछ पोएम्स भी सुनने को मिलेगा. मैंने फर्स्ट ब्लॉग में भी बताया था कि इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों ही पोएम आपको सुनने को मिलेगी. इससे आप बोर भी और जो आपके टॉपिक्स है वो भी इंटरेस्टिंग बना रहेगा. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम अबाउट टू स्टार्ट न्यू जर्नी इन माई लाइफ and would really appreciate all your love, support and blessings. This is an exciting step for me and having your support means the world. So friends, stay with me on this journey like my family and let's make it special together as I am looking forward to learning together. Friends, please subscribe my channel, share, comment and if you want to give any suggestion, you can also suggest me. And yes, don't forget to press bell icon for more videos, notification, updates and much more. Thank you so much.